Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm finally going to do a makeup tutorial on Half Magic's Euphoria collection. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the stuff that I got from the collection. Let's just get started. So before I start on my impromptu eye tutorials and stuff like that, um, before I turn on the camera, I used it's called, what is it called? Wait, it is called it's called Beam Trap, and I used You Love to Be Loved, which is this white highlighter shade, and I just put it somewhere around here, and then I put this. It's called Love Is a Million Things, and I put it somewhere around here. I must say that in camera, the Love Is a Million Things is very pigmented. The You Love to Be Loved is not too pigmented unless I go like this. Okay, let's move on with the video. And I'm also gonna wear this it's called B Word You're My Soulmate, and it's the extra plush lip gloss that's on my lips. I kind of like my lips, but better, except shiny and glossy. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trying to think what I should do. Because I'm trying to think of what I should do. I might. It's a possibility I might pair two characters together or something like that. The eyeshadow shades and prompt. I'm not sure if I should do this one. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Heat wave, heat wave. Okay. Hmm. Or should I go like? I'm gonna take a chance. um. Well. Okay. I'm just gonna do 2 by 2 as planned. So each eye look, I'm gonna do one different eye looks and lids and stuff like that. Let's see. All right. So, all right. So what I'm gonna do, I'll pair. hmm, Yeah, again, I'm just gonna do by rows and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do I'll pair Ruin Cassie together. Okay, let's see. So my game plan is to put Cassie on my lid. I'm not using any makeup primer or anything like that. I just want to do it just like this. Here's Cassie. I'm gonna put it on the lid. You can see the orange and stuff like that. Yeah, this bright light, bright light, bright light. Okay. And then I just feel like, I don't need too big. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this trick that I learned. I forgot what her name is. Something older. Over the, kind of like over the, I forgot what it's called. Over the lid and over the hood. I forgot what her name is, what her famous thing is. When it comes to eyeshadow, I'm older. Okay, so I'm gonna put a lid above the crease. Okay. So and then I'm gonna put Rue. I'm gonna give her a try. I'm gonna take this crease brush, little crease brush here. Might not turn out so. Oh well. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, girl. Ooh, oh yeah. Try to aim for above the crease. All right, not bad. Okay. All right, okay. So that was Cassie and Rue. Okay, on to the next characters. Okay, so the next one will be Jules and Maddie. So Um, let's see if I'll do a similar look, depending on the pigmentation and all that stuff. So, like usual, oops. All right, I'm ready to go. Now where we left off. I'm gonna pair Jules and Maddie together. Let's see. Might not need this. My favorite lip brush. Um, okay, so I'll do the same thing with Jules. I'll take a risk. Okay. After a pretty good start. I use this Jules because for my niece's high school graduation last month, I only use Jules because my niece's high school color, one of them is green and gray. So I just did a wash of color of Jules over my lid, and that's about it. Okay. All right. Ooh, girl. Kind of reminds me of Jules, you know. And then let's see. I feel like taking this fluffy blending brush from Essence, and I'll put Maddie in the outer corner. Outer corner, kind of like angle in the outer corner like this, or I try to aim above the crease. I'm not sure if this will work. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll try it one more time. Apparently it's not really picking up, but that's okay. It's too bright, it's alright. Okay. I think that looks okay. I'm not sure. I kind of wish that I should have done. I'm gonna mess it up even further. Yeah, what I should have done is just left it at the outer corner and blend. That's it. Okay, so that was Jules and Maddie. All right, we're back for our final look. So I'm gonna pair Lexi and Kat together. So I have to be. I'm not gonna use any brushes to put Lexi on my lid and like most of my lid area. So I'm gonna be very gentle with it because if you remember my last video, I call it my haul try on video and stuff like that. Um, Lexi was super pigmented, super bright, so I'm gonna be very careful with her shade. Oh, see, I don't need brushes. See, try not to put too high. I don't want to bam. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay. You know what? So I'm gonna put it in. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Why not? That's all. That's what Euphoria's famous for. And then finally, I might as well do. I might as well. I'm gonna crave for this It Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna put cat in the outer corner. So I'm gonna put it all the way up like this area right here. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a. You can't really see what's going on with cat's shadow. I forgot what the original color is supposed to be. Um, okay, it's now showing up. Okay, trying to remember if I put in the crease. I think I stayed in the outer corner of the eye. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. And then I'm gonna take this the eyeliner part of this It Cosmetics brush, and I think I'm gonna go like this. Too bad I don't have setting spray. That's okay. So I'm gonna like this. Yeah, like 3/4 of my outer lower lash line. Let me do it again. And then as you saw me do it, I put Lexi, whatever's on my fingertip for Lexi, I just pat down in the corners. And that concludes from my Euphoria collection, Half Magic makeup tutorial. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye.